What if I told you that everything you think you know about 2026 is completely wrong? Right now, as you're watching this in whatever year it is, there are forces already in motion that will make 2026 the most pivotal year of this decade. And here's the kicker. Most people have no idea what's coming. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why you need to watch this video again when 2026 arrives, and more importantly, what you can do right now to prepare for what's about to unfold. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why I'm so confident that 2026 will change everything. You're probably wondering why someone would create a video specifically for you to watch in 2026. Maybe you're thinking this is just another clickbait title, or maybe you're genuinely curious about what could be so important about that specific year. Well, you're in the right place, and I'm about to answer all of those questions. Here's what we're going to cover: the 3 major events that will converge in 2026, why this timing isn't a coincidence, and most importantly, how you can use this information whether you're watching this today or you're actually watching this in 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly why I chose that year and what it means for your future. Are you watching this in 2026? If yes, then everything I'm about to tell you should feel eerily familiar. If no, then you're about to get a glimpse into your future that most people won't see coming until it's too late. See, I've been tracking certain patterns and trends that all point to 2026 as a breaking point. Not just for technology, not just for the economy, but for how we live our daily lives. And whether you're watching this as a prediction or as a confirmation, there are 3 specific things you need to know that will determine whether you thrive or just survive what's coming. The lie you're being sold: you've been sold a lie. That motivation is something you feel. That one day you'll wake up inspired, confident, ready, and only then you'll start. That lie has kept more people stuck than failure ever did. I believed it too. I waited for the right mood, the right time, the moment I finally felt ready. That moment never came. Here's the truth most people never hear. Motivation is not the cause of action. It is the result of action. And right now, the only thing stopping you is you. How to kill the lie. Today, discipline 1. Stop waiting for perfect timing. Perfect timing doesn't exist. Perfect conditions are a myth invented by fear. If you wait until everything feels right, you will wait forever. Progress starts the moment you take one small, imperfect action. I didn't feel ready when I made my first video. I didn't feel confident. I didn't feel motivated. I pressed record anyway. And that single action did more than motivation ever could. Discipline 2. Stop letting feelings lead. Your feelings are not your allies. They are unreliable narrators. Feelings want comfort. Execution requires commitment. You don't wait to act until resistance disappears. You act while it's there. Acknowledge the resistance. Then move anyway. Action first. Feelings follow. Discipline 3. Reject the hype trap. New Year motivation fades. Monday motivation fades. Viral hype fades. Hype creates fragile promises. What actually works is this: systems, standards, discipline. Who are you when no one is watching? When there's no applause, no excitement? That's the standard that defines your future. Make it non-negotiable. Because momentum is built by action, and motivation always chases momentum. The only thing that matters: forget the overthinking. Forget the planning. Forget waiting. Here is the only command that matters: get up and be the person you keep saying you want to become. No more analysis. No more delay. For the next 24 hours, there is only one question. What is the one action you will take before you sleep tonight? Do it. Your commitment doesn't start tomorrow. It doesn't start next week. It starts the second this video ends.